Hi, welcome to Consult Kriba YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how the new Customs Export-Import Facilitation Center at SEEP's Special Economic Zone in Mumbai can create practical opportunities for Indian exporters. On 19th June 2026, a new Customs Export-Import Facilitation Center was inaugurated at SEEP's Special Economic Zone, Mumbai. At first, this may look like a simple infrastructure update. But for exporters, especially those dealing with high-value products, this is more than just news. Export business is not only about product quality and price. International buyers also look at how smoothly a supplier can handle documentation, customs clearance, shipment movement, and delivery timelines. This is why strong export infrastructure matters. A dedicated customs facilitation center can help improve customs handling, shipment planning, and operational efficiency. This is especially important for sectors like gems and jewelry, where cargo value is high and shipment risk must be managed carefully. India's gems and jewelry exports reached around 27.72 billion United States dollars during the financial year 2025 to 2026. During the same period, SEEP's recorded exports of around 38,000 crore rupees. These numbers show that SEEP's is not a small export point. It is already a major export hub, especially for gems and jewelry exporters. So, exporters should not treat this update as just another government announcement. They should ask better business questions. Can this center improve shipment reliability? Can it support better handling of high-value cargo? Can it help exporters plan customs documentation more confidently? Can it strengthen buyer confidence during sales discussions? These questions matter because buyers do not judge exporters only by samples and quotations. They also judge the exporter's ability to deliver consistently. A buyer may like your product, but before placing repeat orders, the buyer will think about risk. Will the shipment move on time? Will the documents be handled correctly? Will the cargo be handled safely? Can this exporter support repeat supply without confusion? This is where infrastructure becomes part of buyer trust. Many exporters keep saying, "We are a quality supplier." But almost every supplier says the same thing. That message alone is not enough. Instead, exporters should communicate their operational strength more clearly. For example, instead of only saying, "We supply quality products," an exporter can say, "We operate from an established export hub with dedicated customs facilitation and export infrastructure to support efficient international shipments." This message gives the buyer a stronger reason to trust you. It shows that your business is not only focused on selling the product. It also understands shipment handling, documentation, customs movement, and delivery reliability. For high-value exports, this matters even more. In gems and jewelry, even a small mistake in handling, documentation, customs process, or shipment planning can create serious problems. Buyers want suppliers who can reduce risk, not increase it. That is why exporters should learn to use infrastructure as buyer trust proof. A customs facilitation center is not only useful for operations. It can also become part of your buyer communication, company profile, export presentation, and sales discussion. The main lesson is simple. Before you chase more buyers, understand where your business already has a competitive advantage. If you are operating from a strong export hub, using proper systems, and following reliable shipment processes, do not hide that strength. Communicate it properly. International sales is not only about finding buyer names. It is about showing buyers why they can trust you with serious business. For more export insights and practical strategies to grow your international business, visit our website at www.consultkriba.com.